Amazing! Artichokes, grow your own. Artichokes are delicious and good for you. Growing your own artichokes is fun and easy. Imagine walking into your backyard and picking fresh artichokes. You can steam them, grill them, or stuff them. Yum! Artichokes are beautiful plants too. They have large, silvery green leaves. The artichoke buds are a work of art. They look like giant green pine cones. When the buds open, they have purple flowers. Growing your own food is a rewarding experience. It's a great way to connect with nature. Plus, you know exactly what's going into your food. No harmful pesticides or chemicals, just pure and delicious artichokes. Artichokes need plenty of sunshine to grow big and healthy. Choose a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Artichokes also need well-drained soil. If your soil is heavy clay, add some compost or other organic matter to improve drainage. The best time to plant artichokes depends on your climate. If you live in a warm climate, you can plant artichokes in the fall. They will grow through the winter and be ready to harvest in the spring. If you live in a colder climate, plant artichokes in the spring after the last frost. Artichokes need space to grow. Plant them about 3 to 4 feet apart. This will give them plenty of room to spread out their leaves and soak up the sun. You can start artichokes from seeds or transplants. Seeds are less expensive, but transplants will give you a head start. To start artichokes from seeds, sow them indoors about 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost. Plant the seeds about ½ inch deep in seed starting mix. Keep the soil moist and warm. The seeds should germinate in 1 to 2 weeks. Transplants can be purchased from your local nursery or garden center. When planting transplants, dig a hole that is twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball. Gently remove the plant from the container and place it in the hole. Backfill the hole with soil and water well. Artichokes need regular watering, especially during hot, dry weather. Water deeply about once a week or more often if the soil is dry. Fertilize your artichokes every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. You can also side dress with compost or aged manure. Mulch around your artichokes with straw, wood chips or other organic material. This will help to keep the soil moist and cool, and it will also suppress weeds. Artichokes are relatively pest-free, but you may see aphids or slugs. You can control these pests with insecticidal soap or diatomaceous earth.